you want to add your graham crackers. Make sure they're nice and crushed and pretty smooth. After that, on top of it, add some sugar. Then add some melted butter. Mix it nicely so it all combines well. Like so. After that, put it in your pan or a oven-safe bowl and flatten it out. Set it aside for now. Once you're done with that, take your cream cheese and set it in another bowl. Smoothen it out a little bit before you add your sugar. You don't want to do it too much, otherwise you will incorporate way too much air. Add your sugar, your salt, and whipping cream or sour cream. And beat again until it's kind of smooth. After that, add your vanilla extract and your eggs. Once again, beat until smooth, but don't beat it too much. Once it's smooth, take your mixture and place it in your crust and set it aside. Now, preheat your oven 325 degrees Fahrenheit and put it in for about an hour. Once you get it out, add whatever fruit you want on the top and then put it in the freezer for like overnight or for like 6 hours.